Pamela odame Watara eye onipa bia se wo yira kra na wo de sebi nanufu ehwehwe na ube ye ka se bosunyam pade a Watara yo bia wo bi pa mesese enene de di kan we pay attention TV like na subscribe buy a channel no so now wo bibi so apese ye bo hu dawro ma wa wo de ba attention TV afa na mes na woni mpanifo kasa ye be bo hu dawro kama ama ya tama Pamela odame Watara na yenim se wo yo bi one Nayas ayonkofa no emu odin pa ne yenim ne beye ya Nayas ne Watara omuntam tete ye na che Pamela say Nayas show so obi ka no Pamela no wasem no na nka wo say Nayas stop sa ni pa because nsem na no waka no enye na so Nayas enya akukudro etie nsem ne nyina esan se onye ne black sister anti wo tie ne nyina nam so ma asem no eyo no Pamela ne ya panti em se ntitiye kakra ebae na me se o masan bom Pamela akotena se e wo Nayas show soendre yala na nsema Pamela ede kanu ano odin se na wiase anase Ghana ha de aye kasa adamfo pa obefa ne kitikiti pa se wo bom ntuma no ni didibo ni dware bom nya sika mo hyentare mo hyebom no ankobetu obi afo se sa ndamfo fa no ehu hia na se eye namfo hu kwa na wo banyim ye eda na damfo te se ono Pamela Watara anyempe na nadafo no ejan ho osunia bebre se wonam a wanya ne ba wonyem ne nyina nadafo no frɛ no wamba wo supa na no odi me hwɛ ne mra
eje na namfo de ayo a wo bekasa de wedie namfo akyere me nyansa ana kyese me nie beda ho ni nyina namfo kyese nipa bi am de me hokɔbɔ mo ne ade enti no ase me nu me ho minyaya ana me hunya
It's recently when I got pregnant. Yeah, a friend who I accommodated in my own house, she was staying with me. So the very day she got to know I was pregnant, she told me that too quiet. Now I'm say fine. It's too quiet so there. Me de wo ye me 9 months. Edru ye na ni nyina na ne nema wo me hono. Into that day I did CS, so I was admitted in the hospital, and after that my son too was having an issue, so he was at the pediatric ward.
Don't cry.
I don't want to go that
don't
side.
Cry. Don't
so
cry. No.
So this lady, I called her to inform her that since you know her.
Okay.
That fair lady.
Oh no, don't cry.
You know her, right? You know her.
Mama means
that fair lady. Oh, I'm fine. So I called her and I was like, oh, this is the situation. I've been discharged and my son is in the hospital.
Don't cry. Okay,
no. So I've been discharged and my son has been admitted at the pediatric ward. So I wanted her to come over.
So what for now? Yeah.
So in all, no, I think she got to know said there's no beam. That's what I see now.
Yeah.
So till 37 for like 1 month because of the boy.
Oh God!
A free hospital.
No, you're making me cry. No, and don't cry.
Oh no, I'm fine. And me by fear during the circumcision too. When she was me ban free muso when she was called Takwanyamba. Sometimes I would deliberately call her at least. Another time to say I was so depressed. Like at that time, I needed somebody to. Oh no, the situation, I didn't want to disturb you with it. I was so much depressed to the extent say I needed somebody to talk to. And throughout from my first month to my 9 months, the 1 month I spent in the hospital, through my son's death, through the court trials up and down, up to now, I've not seen the person.
Wow.
And this person is somebody that's oh, thank you.
Mama, thank you
and
so much.
And this person is a person that's sissy.
Yeah.
So, but later, after everything, me when you say it's unless it teaches you something. It teaches you something.
See, that time na unyimoye no. That time na make us say yenko club, yempi yenko ha, yenko GN wa ha. Jiji unhu social media.
Yeah.
Yenye mebia ebema obi ehun say Pamela. That time ne dey na she feels say and dey wo ho a ope. Because baby am one kiti be back. But abra we say
me Pamela ne
Pamela ne nam no so nya sa family din no.
That's it. That's exactly that's what happened.
And yema wo ye wo social media ne yema ekoso nyina no mebusua ne nye ho me ma me wu ohun.
Yeah.
Me papa wu ohun. Ebusua ne tete me nyini enti me de mani be to form mesesa. To hu say aba form no.
And me say ne buy and I was ready to
give back
it good. So or way here say I'm not gonna get anything. Mean to me some better in chain and be share it's
nipa ni sa nipa no so e pamo ho nipa nyina.
Since you have an idea about who the person is, so surely you know. But it's all good. It teaches you something in life. You need to learn something sometimes in the hard way. Yeah.
But nyame one shot.
Oh yeah, fine, sure.
You say. Yeah. Na me ma yako.
Oh, me that say.
Ah God. Iriase areho. And that time it is because of some issues near the need to make fat trauma more or yare and yema be brave because of and that time nanka we hear sad ni panu ka we hear sad am for
because my mom was the only person that she could come over and no so yare that
because yema na cause social media
I'm the one who's even supposed to go and take care of her and I miss way better me so there was nobody.
Kuse wate. I'm so glad. Say nyame was see dadem.
Sure.
Just say ugusu wasi mukure and what you've been through ni nyina na say one can. I think sa brabo mu nyame hye ma bibi to ye.
Now the esua
bibi, esua nyansen bi wo. Shedin wate.
Oh sure.
Kuse.
Who is your friend? Sisi Odami Watara say Adamfo de lalai won fa bi da because ni Adamfo de aye no ano de dubre bia na wo hia obi kekene na akasa na so Adamfo yo betra ne fie to aduane ma ne di no ebre so your friend no wan fa bi adentia ese wo de comments beba se wo ye yonkopa anase wo nyem ye no anase ne pere be ma ho ana fa comment bra akua ntwa meka makama makra